Hello friends, I am Gyan. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to fix this type of problem if you are also seeing on the Internet Archive website. Temporary offline Internet Archive service are temporary offline. Please check our official account including Twitter, X, Blue Sky or for the latest information. We apologize for inconversations. How to fix this kind of problem. This problem is happening on the website server, guys. Let me show you. Look guys, many people are facing this issue. Many people are facing this issue, guys. To fix this problem, you can visit their officially Twitter handle for the latest information. Scroll down and check latest information. You might find this information, and if not, wait a while, or you can tweet to theme using a hashtag on Twitter. If you like this video, please like and share it. Thank you for watching this video.